Are you helping your elderly parents move out of the home they live in for 20, 30, even 50 years? It's never just a move, it's an emotional journey. Downsizing isn't just moving, it's emotional. As a realtor who specializes in helping baby boomers downsize, I see this every day. And here are the top reasons why it's so hard for seniors to let go of their home. Tip 1. Memories everywhere. They raise their kids here. Every room reminds them of a moment they don't want to lose. Tip 2. Fear of losing independence. For many seniors, leaving their home feels like losing control of their life. Tip 3. Too many belongings. Most have 20, 50 years of belongings. Letting go feels overwhelming and sometimes embarrassing. Tip 4. Change is scary. Moving to a retirement community, assisted living, or their kids' home is a huge lifestyle change. Tip 5. Emotional grief. They are not just leaving a house, they are saying goodbye to a chapter of their life. If your parents are going through this right now, be patient, be gentle, and remind them they are not alone. If you need support navigating this emotional transition, I'm here to help. DM Zen downsizing or make a comment.